The case reference is Air 2000 SC 1687. This judgment was passed in the case of S.Viswanath versus State of Karnataka. Key points. 1. Water as an essential service. The Supreme Court held that water is an essential service and its supply cannot be disconnected, even if the consumer fails to pay the bills. Right to life. The court emphasized that access to clean drinking water is a fundamental right, essential for human survival, and is part of the right to life under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Reasonable opportunity to pay. Before disconnecting the water supply, the authorities must provide the consumer with a reasonable opportunity to pay the outstanding bills. Alternative measures. Instead of disconnection, the authorities can explore alternative measures such as installing meters or taking steps to prevent wastage. Implications. 1. Protection of consumer rights. This judgment protects the rights of consumers, ensuring they have access to essential services like water. Accountability of service providers. The judgment holds service providers accountable for ensuring uninterrupted water supply and exploring alternative measures before disconnection. Hence, as the Supreme Court's judgment emphasizes the importance of access to clean drinking water as a fundamental right, and its implications have far-reaching consequences for consumer rights and the accountability of service providers. Regards, Uday Prabhu. In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court delved into the significance of water supply in the case of S.Viswanath versus State of Karnataka. The court unequivocally recognized water as an essential service, solidifying its stance that disconnection of water supply is impermissible, regardless of any outstanding bills. This historic ruling establishes a firm foundation for consumers' access to this vital resource, shedding light on the inherent importance of water in our lives. The court further asserted that access to clean drinking water is not merely a luxury, but a fundamental right, enshrined within the right to life under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. This profound acknowledgement reinforces the view that every individual, regardless of socioeconomic status, is entitled to access clean water, which is critical for existence. The clear recognition of this right resonates beyond mere legality. It embodies the essence of dignity that every human being deserves, emphasizing that clean water is essential for health and well-being. However, the judgment does not overlook the responsibilities entailed. The court underscored that before any disconnection of water supply occurs, authorities must provide consumers with a reasonable opportunity to settle their outstanding dues. This provision ensures a fair and just process, protecting consumers while maintaining the welfare of the broader community. It calls for service providers to engage actively with customers, seeking cooperative solutions rather than resorting to abrupt severance of service. Moreover, the Supreme Court encouraged the exploration of alternative measures. Instead of moving directly to disconnection, authorities could implement systems such as metering, which encourages responsible usage and minimizes wastage. This recommendation is pivotal, as it not only prevents service deprivation but also promotes a shared sense of accountability among consumers regarding water use. The implications of this judgment resonate deeply within the sphere of consumer rights. It acts as a shield, safeguarding consumers' access to essential services like water. Additionally, the ruling holds service providers accountable, compelling them to ensure uninterrupted water supply and to consider solutions that prevent disconnection. Overall, this judgment reinforces the belief that water is not just a commodity, but a fundamental human right, invoking a collective duty to protect it for all. This profound ruling will serve as a guiding light for future policies and legislation surrounding vital resources, ensuring that the sanctity of life remains unblemished.